The purpose of this video is to go over question 25 from 3.3, and this is on quiz 6. So going through, we want to find the derivative of this composition. And if you recall that if I have y equals ln of u, then the derivative of y with respect to x is 1 over u times the derivative of u with respect to x, where u is a function of x, where u is some function of x. So looking at this example, the derivative of y with respect to x is going to be the derivative of the outside, which is 1 over the value of the inside, which we leave that alone, times the derivative of the inside. And we have to be careful with the derivative of the inside because we have this negative. So if I take the derivative of the first function, that's 1. So I have minus e to the minus x minus the derivative of the second function. So if I want to think about this as this is the first function, this is the second function. So the derivative of the first, hold the second. And the negative out in front is very important. So we want to keep that in mind. The negative goes with it. The derivative of the second function, hold the first function, would be e to the minus x times a minus 1, so that makes this a positive. Okay. So cleaning this up a little bit, we get we get minus e to the minus x plus x e to the minus x over 5 minus x e to the minus x. And Wiley wants us to make sure we only use positive exponents. So I'm going to pull out an e to the minus x on top, and I'm going to be left with x minus 1. I could write that as minus 1 plus x, but I'm going to write that as x minus 1 because it looks a little nicer. So you can see I can change that order and get x minus 1. And on bottom, I have 5 minus x e to the minus x. So getting rid of the negative exponent here, I can bring that to the denominator and have x minus 1 divided by a positive e to the x times 5 minus x e to the minus x. So when I distribute that, I get x minus 1 divided by 5 e to the x minus x. Because the e to the x times e to the minus x is going to cancel that. And then I have all my exponents are positive there. And that's what Wiley wants to see it as. On an exam or something, you could stop right here. Wiley wants you to go ahead and do the algebra, the next step, and get it into only positive exponents. This is the derivative, and then this is the algebra to get it in only positive exponents. So if you have any other questions, please let me know.